And syempre, ka-housemate din natin tong mga to. Kamustahin naman natin. Punta tayo in a blue gown. Line 2.
Yeah.
Yun ang tema ni Shuvi. Ang ganda.
And from one housemate to another, Miss Ashley Ortega.
Yes! Corporation, the network will never be complete without you guys. Diba kasi sa baba lang yung kulot. Ganon.
AC Bonifacio.
Another PBB housemate.
Red,
wow.
Red hair.
Nagpakulay ba siya ng
black
hair?
dress. I think so, yeah.
Wow.
Red earrings.
Bagay na bagay. Feisty personality. And of course,
can do different voices as well.
Miss Lani. Talagang legend siya.
Another PBB housemate.
Correct.
Miss Cyril Manabat.
Alam mo na, enjoy ko si Cyril sa loob ng PBB house.
Iba yung kulit niya, no?
Yes, I feel represented in terms of personality. And of course, syempre, sa ating red carpet, nag-slave din siya with the corporation. The network will never be complete without you guys. And eto, kakalabas lang. Yes.
We now begin the count with our PBB housemates.
Correct.
Michael Sager. In Ibarong.
Alam mo kasi kapag yung maganda na yung build ng katawan mo and matangkad ka na, you just need to add a little detail at maayos na suit. At ito, one of the example na ang ganda ng pagkakabuo ng princess.
Also from All Out Sundays, Michael Sager, Vince Maristella, another PBB housemate. So, they're starting to come in.
Yeah. Enjoy ko si Vince at saka si Michael panoorin sa PBB. Oh, fairness. Talagang, you know, yung entertainment nila at saka pagpapakatotoo nila sa house, I love it.
We have heard the shout-outs online.
Queen! Wow. In a blue gown.
We bow down to Miss Ai Shuvi Etrata, a certified rising star.
Saan galing yung wind effect? Oh my God,
eh.
nakakalawa. Parang kanina daan natin dyan, walang hangin
Kakalabas lang ng bahay ni Kuya.
Wow.
A beloved housemate.
Waistline 2.
Yeah.
Yun ang tema ni Shuvi. Ang ganda.
And from one housemate to another, Miss Ashley Ortega.
Yes. ang face card talaga ng mga housemate
Ibang
natin.
klase.
Especially nag-trending ang PBB, nag-hit ang PBB especially dahil sobrang pretty, handsome, and pasabog ng mga housemate natin, 'di ba? The personality is oozing, the face card is oozing, and makikita natin yan ngayon sa red carpet. And another PBB housemate, Josh. Yes.
This is Josh Ford in a black barong. Pero ang ganda nung execution ng barong ni Josh.
Correct. And especially, ang ganda nung hair.
Oh, fresh from the house, Dustin Yu. Just came out yesterday sa bahay ni Kuya, but he's here joining us in the celebration.
Alam, bongga, no? Na ang ganda ng mga looks ng ating mga PBB housemates. And syempre, ka-housemate din natin tong mga to. Kamustahin naman natin. Punta tayo sa kabilang room. Yes. The Diamond Room. How is the eksena there?